do that too. Okay, you have to be smoking it. Okay, I'm gonna come over on the other side. So you stand there and smoke. Don't get freaked out. Okay, there's gonna be a lot of bees. I want you to smoke this. Yep, give it a little smoke. Okay. I'm gonna pull this down here. Are you recording? Good. They're eating this bee patty like crazy, which is good. This bee patty, some of it over there. Smoke them here. Okay. So I'm just getting in here. Smoke them out here a little. I can see that they're starting honeycomb. Can you see the comb in there?
A little.
We want to make sure our queen is free. Yeah, not too much smoke. You don't want to smoke them like crazy. Okay, we're gonna. Oh man, they're really drawing out that comb in there. So I'm gonna come here. Smoke over here for a second. Yeah. Make sure our queen is out. So do you see that? Look, our queen is gone. So she's released. Smoke down here more. Down here. We're trying to confuse them. Okay, and it looks like they're building up in here really good. Can you see that? Look at all that comb down there. It looks like, if you can look in the bottom, it even looks like we don't have very many dead bees down at the bottom, which is good. I'm wondering if we can, I'm wondering if I can see. I'm gonna see if I can, I'm gonna pull this out. I'm gonna see if we can see our queen at all on this. Do you see her at all? She's bigger than the other ones. No, that's good. You're good, because you're sending them up here to me and I don't want them. You got a good picture and stuff?
Yeah,
Video?
I can see it all on the video.
So we're going to put them, I don't see her either there, but I think she's in there because she's not here anymore.
She might be buried up in there.
She could be buried. We're gonna push these right back to where they were, right in their order. We pulled our queen out, which is good. We're gonna push them to the center. Scrape him off, he's a dead bee.
There's a dead bee right
Dead from the
there.
neck up, dead from the neck down. Out here, smoke out here. Okay. So we're gonna put this back in the hive here. Push them together. We're gonna let that sit there. And then we're gonna put this back on. So,
Is the queen in there?
no, she is not.
She's like in the hive.
Yeah, she's in the hive. She's not gonna, don't smoke them too much. You don't wanna, it's hot smoke, so you don't wanna make them mad. That's what you try not to do. You're trying not to make them mad with hot smoke, because they don't wanna be hot. Okay, so that's good, she's out. So now we're gonna come over here to this one. We're gonna give it a little smoke up the chute. Remember how the guy said? No, over here, it's only over here. Not too close. Not too close, because you're gonna make them mad. Certain. A new one. Give it a little smoke there. I'm gonna have you come over this side, Joe, because I'm gonna work that area over there.
Over here.
Yep. Come behind me. Okay. So I'm gonna put this here. Okay. Smoke down there a little. So I haven't gotten stung. Have you gotten
I have
stung?
not done so.
Okay, so that's good. So,
Oh no, only my hand is shiny.
okay, so we're gonna move this here. Looks like it needs some more sugar water too.
Yeah.
Okay. Here, they're eating this too, which is really good. We're gonna move this off of there and kind of just smoke it a little around. Yep, that's good. Good, good, good. So put that there. We're gonna take out this frame. Put that down there. We're gonna separate these frames and get these dead bees off of here. Okay, we're gonna separate, smoke down here a little bit more. Smoke in here a little. Not too close, remember, not too close. Okay, I'm gonna pop this off and see if our queen has been let go. Our queen's been let go out of that, so you can see she's gone too. Smoke out here a little bit. So look down here, Joe. Do you see all that hive, all that comb being made?
Yeah.
That's so
Oh,
good.
look right there.
Yeah. Look at all these bees hanging on.
Right there, they're doing it a lot.
Yeah.
They really do.
Yeah. So we're just going to push these back together because we don't want to bother them. There is not a lot of bees dead in the bottom there when, when we initially did our dump, which is really good. And then I'm going to put this back on. I'm trying to be gentle and not a lot of racket with them. Oh shoot, I forgot this one. Frame, so I gotta get him in there. Okay, they're all pushed together. We're moving the frames back together. We're closing up the hive. And that's it.
A lot of them are going back in.
Yep, because they just wanted to make sure that we were okay, that we weren't doing anything weird. Good now. They're gonna, and that's it. Super simple. Okay.